Okay, friends, got a box in today. Let's find out what's inside. As you may be able to tell here, I couldn't quite wait, so I did take a peek. Let's open it up and see. Oh yes, right there off the top. What do you know about that? It is an official Orion 400 BDG bridging module manual. Don't find one of those every day, my friends. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, okay. So we got a cable. This is the cable for the BDG to go between the BDG and the amp. And here is Molex, and it looks like part of the power wire for the amplifier. Probably giving you a little teaser of what else is in here. And check that out. 400 BDG bridging module from Orion. This is truly old school, late 80s to the possible early 90s, like 90 or 91. This is needed for some of their amplifiers to actually bridge them, believe it or not. So what else do you think may be in here? Well, we're getting ready to find out together. I know what it is. You can probably guess what it is at this point if you know anything about me. And oh man, look at that. That thing looks nice. That's in really good shape. It's an Orion 225 HCCA. This is the first generation. Looks nice. Got one little chip right there, but overall it's in really, really good shape. There's the bridging module. There's the cable. I'll show you how that works here in just a minute. And there's Molex. That's kind of short, but we got other ones of those. And then the instructions for the module. Very cool. Okay, so the way this works to use the bridging module is you just take this DIN plug. It's the same as like a guitar style plug they use for instruments. Keyboard, I think. You can see the pin layout there. There's 2, 4, 5 pins plus the bottom. And then all you do is just connect it up here. So we have the ability using this to, oh, I did that wrong. That's not the input, this is the output we need to choose. So we have several options. We can do right, some mono, mixed mono, or left. And what I would do is do mixed mono, that way you could do stereo and mono at the same time. Plugged in there, so you'd plug your RCAs from your head unit here, and then take the output here into the input of the amp. Now you can bridge the amplifier to use it and generate more power, or use it for your subwoofers. There you have it, just a quick video here of our old school haul. Orion 400 BDG manual. I will scan this in. I'm not sure if we've got a digital version of this yet, but I'll make sure we have one. Put it in the video description. 400 BDG module itself. Cable, you can still get these cables. They're just generic instrument cables. And showing it going into the amp. And we have the Molex plug here for the speaker out. And yeah, this amp looks really nice to be as old as it is. And look at this. So it's got power, it's got ground, and it has another wire. Does anybody know what that extra wire is for? Some of you old school guys might know. Leave me a comment below. What is that wire? I'll give you a hint. It's not a remote turn on. All right, guys, till next time, know where Big D is. I'm out of here.
Thing sounds pretty good. You know how them sound waves go?
Alright guys, sorry for the lack of demonstration. The amplifier actually doesn't work but I thought it was cool enough to show the BDG module that came with the manual and everything. And I've shown the 225 HCCA several times before in the past. I'll leave some links below if you want to check out some of those other videos. But yeah, we'll maybe get this fixed one day and we can show that BDG in action and how it works. Old Orions like this did need these modules, and these modules are actually pretty hard to come by now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is Wilson Audio Extras. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're not already, and we'll see you next time.